Glofox Insights provides simple, intuitive, and deeply insightful reports to help you focus on your key drivers of success. You can see your business data across all locations in one simple and easy to navigate dashboard. You can compare your member activity, sales activity, lead acquisition and conversion, retention and utilization, and member demographics. So what's so different about Glofox Insights? First, you can see the historical trends of each and every metric. Not just what's happening now, but how that compares to each gym's performance over time. Second, you can compare the gyms in your network. You can apply benchmarks and see which gyms are ahead of the crowd and which are behind. And third, the reports are interactive. You can drill down from any metric to see the actual members that make up the numbers. Let's take a closer look. For member activity, you can compare how your gyms are performing for active members, first-time members, pauses, cancellations, and who has the most overdue payments. Rather than getting a monthly report of total subscriptions, you can see what is driving the growth and where each location needs to improve. You can also compare the sales performance of each of your locations. You can see their membership sales, credit pack sales, store sales, and other sources of revenue. And you can see the outstanding balances of money owed in each gym and take action to recover that revenue. Digging deeper, you can see how many leads each of your locations is generating, the source of the leads, and how well they are converting. With Glofox Insights, you can see which location is generating the most leads and which location is converting those into trials and sales. You can set the benchmark for top performing locations and take action to bring every location up to the mark. Retention and utilization reports show the booking and attendance levels of each location. You can see which gym is offering the most number of classes and how those classes are being filled. Use this as an early warning system for cancellations and help each location get the right mix between offering multiple classes for members and keeping those classes profitable. Finally, member demographics helps you understand the age, gender, location, and spending patterns of members of each of your gyms. Use this information to learn more about the customers you are already attracting so that you can focus on investing in the most successful ones. That's all for now. If you want to find out more about Glofox Insights for multi-locations, send us an email to customersuccess@glofox.com or visit our knowledge base.